Good morning.
Good morning.
Senator Wally, Mr. Jerome Forbes, all of the other principals, see my good friend Veronica Bain, who said she almost deleted my file. I think my file is still open. To the parents, Chief Counsel, and all of the other council members, staff of aviation, the well-wishers, supporters. I see Miss Olga Wilson and Mr. Wilson, and who else I know? And to all of the students, once more a pleasant good morning. I came prepared with a speech, and Abraham Lincoln once said, "It is not the years in your life that counts, but it's the life in your years that makes a difference." This statement by Abraham Lincoln is a profound one, and what it's saying it doesn't matter how old you are, but what you do in the years you live. Ronnie Butler and Emily Williams sang a song several years ago, "Age is nothing but a number." But I say to you that age is more than a number. When you were born, it mattered. When you die, it also matters. But what is very important is what you do between birth and death. Each of you, students, honorees, are now making a difference. You and your teachers and all of the other students, grandparents and siblings are very proud of you right now. Parents, teachers, let's give them all a round of applause. Let's show them how proud. They sound like you're proud of them. If you're proud, just make some noise. Each of the honorees, you should be equally proud that you have achieved this milestone. I want to say to you that I am also very proud of you. And I say to you, congratulations. While you have reached this height today, it is not yet over. You have just begun. Don't let anyone tell you what you can and cannot do. Once it is the right thing. Once you believe it is the right thing. You can imagine Albert Einstein, when he was trying to create the light, if he had stopped at 1,000 times, when he did it just one more time, 1,001, you can imagine where we would have been today. We probably would have still been in darkness. But he continued on, and he created light. I want to say to you, don't make this your last time that you will achieve this goal. Don't make this the last time that you will achieve this goal. And remember, the race is not for the swiftest, but he that endured to the end. There's no need for you to feel ashamed, those persons who didn't make it. But remember, there's next year. And you can be sitting in these 6 seats next year. If you strive hard, do your best, and you will one day be here. If you believe that, shout yeah. Yeah. If you believe that, shout yeah. Yeah. Do you want to be here next year? Yeah. Y'all ain't serious. Do you want to be here next year? Man, they sound like you all want to be here. Do you want to be sitting up here next year? Yeah! All right, Y'all sound a little better. You're still weak. Let's try it for the last time. If you want to be up here next year, let's shout, yeah! Now you sound like you want to be here. To the parents, kindly encourage the children. Check to see that they're doing what they're supposed to do. I know we don't have the problems that we have in Nassau. But if your child slips, if you don't check on that child, we could very well see the problems that we have in Nassau here. So we need to check on our children daily, ensure that they're doing what they're supposed to do. And what they don't understand, try and teach them. If you don't know, find somebody who knows and have them teach them the right way. We from the police department are always able, willing, and can do our best. And if we don't know, we'll find somebody who knows. I bring you greetings on behalf of the Commissioner of Police, Mr. Ellison Greenslade, and his executive team, the staff here in Cat Island, the regular officers, and the police reserve. There's an old proverb that says, if you don't believe you can make a difference, try sleeping in a room with a mosquito. I thank you.